Hey, it's Brian here to welcome you to your Siphon Reloaded member area and to show you how to start making money with the Siphon system. And I'll show you how it works and how you make money, exactly how you make money, how you get paid and all that. A copy of your member login info was automatically sent to your inbox already, so make sure to find that and save that email, with your login information. If you don't see it in your main inbox, then check your spam folder just in case it ended up there. If you still don't see it, then contact our support to request a copy. Now, Siphon Reloaded is already a proven system. There's no, wondering or guessing whether it works. Top members have already made up to $11,000 per month, in 30 days and have generated thousands of leads with this system. That's already happened. So it's already proven. And that was done with the original Siphon system. So the scary quote unquote thing is Siphon Reloaded is even more powerful, having been rebuilt from the ground up with some incredibly powerful new viral list and income building features. Now, if you're the type to chase, shiny objects, you'll never make money online. So for your own sake, trust in the already proven Siphon system and stick with it. Don't procrastinate and sit on it like so many people do with the income opportunities that they join. Take action and persist. You have to have faith that the system will work in order for it to actually work, because money doesn't earn itself and nobody will ever make money by doing absolutely nothing. So, be real, be realistic, and again, take action. And I promise you'll be thrilled after seeing those first leads and first sales come in. Now, what you want to do to start making money quickly is to first get set up, obviously, which I'll show you how to do in the next 60 seconds or so that we can get to the good stuff after that. Now, first, there are 3 membership levels. There's free, there's pro, and then there's pro with upgrades. Now, rest assured that you can make money with all 3 versions. Now, the pro and the pro with upgrades memberships enable you to make multiple and additional streams of income. Now, if you're a free version member, there's no required setup, but you do have the option of connecting your Siphon website to an email autoresponder, as you'll see here, email autoresponder service such as Aweber and some other options that we have here in our dropdown. This will automatically send all your subscribers that you get through your Siphon website, as people sign up to Siphon through your website, straight into your autoresponder account, which is like a glorified email account, like Gmail or Yahoo, so that you can blast out emails to your entire list anytime you want. Now, if you do not connect your Siphon website to an autoresponder service, all your subscriber email addresses will simply be stored in a file that you can download periodically here from your member area. And after downloading, you can either import your leads into your autoresponder service of choice, or you can contact people in bulk through a free Gmail account, for example, by entering all of the email addresses in the BCC field as you're creating the email. Now, if you're a pro member, you can also obviously connect to an autoresponder, but there's just one required setup in addition. And that's to click on this button to retrieve, enter, and save your affiliate link for Siphon Reloaded Pro. If you're a pro member who has purchased any of our optional upgrades, you can click the upgrade status button here to access and set up the upgrades per the information on that page, on the upgrade status page. And that is it for setup. So just autoresponder and then entering your affiliate link if you're a pro member. Now, to start making money, you simply start sharing your website link, your Siphon Reloaded website link, with other people online. And to start doing that, to start sharing your website link with other people online, you want to follow the 5-minute or so tutorial shown here down below on our member homepage. Now, what you're doing as you share your website link with others is that you're giving away free version Siphon websites to other people. Or more accurately, you're just providing your website link, sharing your website link to anybody and everybody interested in making money online, and then you let your Siphon website do the rest. So our website actually walks your visitors through what they have to do. So in other words, your website, our system, takes people through all the way from signing up through the first page here of your Siphon website on through to the Siphon intro video shown here on the next page. And by the way, we even have YouTube star Ed Bassmaster featured in your Siphon website right within this video, so that's pretty cool. And then on to a paid offer, or even multiple paid offers, which you'll make money on as a pro member, as you can see on these pages. And then finally, after these pages, into the member area, the same member area that you're in right now watching this video. So that's the full funnel or the full website of yours, and what your visitors will see when they visit your website. But do not mistake this for a typical funnel or a typical website, because all the goodies, all the viral list and income building machinery, so to speak, is all running behind the scenes of the normal looking pages of your Siphon website, all the pages that I just showed you. And I'll be explaining what that machinery does and how it makes you money in just a moment. But coming back to your Siphon website, you're not selling anything at all up front. Instead, the way you begin making money is simply by giving away, as I said, giving away as many Siphon websites as you can. And once again, you do this simply by sharing your Siphon website link with others, letting your website and the Siphon system do all the talking, so to speak, like I explained. So now, how do you make money by giving away free Siphon websites to others? That sounds kind of weird, right? Just giving away something for free. Well, the answer depends on what type of member you are. Now, all members, including free version members, can make money with the big email list that you'll be growing on autopilot as you share your Siphon website with others. Now, once you have an email list, you can blast out any affiliate product offer you want, even a small email list. You can blast out any affiliate product offer that you want to your list. You can send your list, your email subscribers, offers from, for example, clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, warriorplus.com, and other affiliate networks that are chock full of other people's products that you make a commission on, or make a commission with, as you promote them through your affiliate link to those products. And you just find a product you want to be an affiliate of, sign up as a free affiliate. It's always free, or almost always free, to join an affiliate program, and then blast out your affiliate link to your list, along with an email that explains what the product is or the benefits of the product, gives a little teaser for the product. And with literally just 5 minutes of that work, you could make hundreds of dollars on a single email blast, and I do it all the time. That's the beauty of email, and one of the reasons I created the Siphon income system is because there's no better or easier way to make money online than with email. Again, I do it all the time. Every day I'm making money with email, and obviously the bigger your email list grows, the greater your income potential. So as your email list grows larger and larger, so will your income potential. But how does Siphon grow your list on autopilot? Well, it's quite simple. As you give away free Siphon websites to other people, that's the part where your effort is involved, and then they too start sharing their website link with others, the Siphon system automatically forwards their first 5 email subscribers exclusively to you, and then continues sending 10% of all their email subscribers to you on autopilot. So let's say you refer Bob, you'll be getting 10% of Bob's email list automatically on autopilot. The Siphon system handles this email forwarding, so to speak, automatically. You don't do anything other than share your Siphon website with others and let our system do the email forwarding on autopilot. So quite obviously, the more websites you give away, the more people you'll have out there building your list on autopilot, true autopilot. Now, 10% of your leads also go to your referrer, but of course, that's nothing compared to having dozens or hundreds of people sending you 10% of their leads on autopilot. So you're sending 10% to one person you refer, but then you're getting 10% of the leads of everybody that you refer. So why would people send you 10% of their email leads? Well, you probably already know the answer. It's because they get the same benefit, same incentive. So in other words, they'll get 10% of all the leads generated by the people they refer, meaning their email list will also grow on autopilot. So this is how traffic and leads are sent to you on literal autopilot, despite that you still have to jumpstart things, so to speak, by sharing your website with others. And remember, to start sharing your website with others, you simply follow the tutorial on this page below. It's a clever traffic strategy proven to work like gangbusters once you implement it, and you don't have to spend a dime on getting traffic and sharing your website link with others unless you want to. Now you can start blasting out email offers, paid offers, affiliate offers to your email list, even with only a small handful of subscribers, like alluded to just a minute ago. You don't have to wait. In other words, you don't need a huge list to start making money. And you make money when your subscribers, obviously when your subscribers buy the offer that you're promoting to them via email, your affiliate offer. Usually you'll make commissions of at least 50%, especially if promoting digital products like software and ebooks and other online income systems. So for example, if you want to go to ClickBank and you want to find a product in their marketplace that you want to promote as an affiliate, you just get your affiliate link, your free affiliate link to that product on clickbank.com. They generate the link for you, and then you send that affiliate link out to your email subscribers along with a brief email message about the benefits of the product. Like I said earlier, just a little teaser about the product. And then often the product owners will even have emails pre-written that you can already use, meaning you don't even have to write the email. You just blast out their pre-written email message as provided by the product owner or the vendor and include your affiliate link within that email, and then you get paid into your clickbank.com account for each sale you make. So you can send out emails and then check your clickbank.com account to see what commissions you made. So that's literally how easy it is to make money with email, and then why this is so exciting and why so many people do it. Now, if you're a Siphon Pro member, you not only make money with the email list that Siphon will be building for you, as I explained, you'll also make money after right after people join your email list and then land on your paid offer. I took you through the funnel. I showed you the pages. So they'll sign up and then they'll see a video about Siphon, and then they'll go on to a number of paid offers, one or more paid offers, which pro members can get paid on. So by default, this paid offer, the first paid offer, is Siphon Reloaded Pro, meaning that the free version Siphon members you refer as a pro member will result in a direct commission paid to you if and when they upgrade to Siphon Pro, just as you have done. And depending on which of our upgrades, the pro membership upgrades they optionally choose to get on top of the main Siphon Pro system, you'll make anywhere from $10 on up to $277 a pop per each person you refer. So as you can imagine, the income can add up very quickly. And here again, you're still not doing an ounce more than just sharing your Siphon Reloaded website link with others. Our system handles all of this, funnels people through the system, and gets you paid. Now, but wait, what happens when you, as a pro member, refer a free version member who does not upgrade, and that free version member refers another person who does upgrade to pro? What happens? Who gets the commission? You make the commission from their effort, from your own free version referrals effort on autopilot. So as a pro member, not only are you able to get true autopilot leads and list building, as I had explained, you're also able to make true autopilot commissions. So here again, the more Siphon websites you give away to others for free, the more you benefit in the form of both leads and commissions of up to $277 a pop. Now these commissions are paid straight into your free warriorplus.com account and are tracked through the affiliate link that you save here to your member area. And as a pro member, that's why it's important that you save your affiliate link. When you save it here to your member area, it's automatically embedded into your Siphon website and into the websites of your referrals where appropriate or where applicable. Now, by the way, pro members have the option of changing out the default paid offer, which is Siphon Pro itself, our paid offer, our paid level membership, to any affiliate offer of their choice. This means that as a pro member, you're not forced to promote Siphon Reloaded Pro itself, although it's obviously the tightest, most relevant offer you could possibly promote to your free version Siphon members, obviously. You do have the option to change that paid offer built into your Siphon website to any affiliate offer you want, provided it's obviously family friendly and all that. And pro upgraded members can make money in even more ways because first off, their affiliate links for Siphon Pro are embedded into the websites of free version members beyond just their direct referrals. So let's say you refer free member Joe, is a pro upgraded member who refers free member Bob, who refers free member Jim. Now, as a pro upgraded member, your affiliate link is not just embedded into Joe's free version website, free version Siphon website, it's also embedded into Bob's website and into Jim's website and so on. So you stand to make even more autopilot commissions as a result, since your money link, that is your affiliate link, could be embedded into hundreds of additional websites, just deeper into the funnel, deeper into the network or whatever. Now, furthermore, pro upgraded members have access to another feature, a very cool feature called Infinity Funnel, which enables you to add unlimited paid offers into your Siphon website funnel, meaning you're not just limited to embedding one paid affiliate offer, but potentially 2 or 3 or 5 or 10, as many as you want. But realistically, you should keep it to a max of around 4 or 5 offers, so that your new Siphon referrals aren't overwhelmed with offers after they join Siphon through your website. On any additional offers that you add to your Siphon website through the Infinity Funnel feature, you'll obviously get paid from whoever hosts the affiliate program. So if your affiliate offers that you add are powered by clickbank.com's affiliate system, for example, then you'll get paid by clickbank.com. If it's powered by warriorplus.com, if your affiliate offers are found on warriorplus.com, you'll get paid into your warriorplus.com account, and so on. So basically, everybody, just to sum it up, has the ability to make money as a Siphon member, and good money, which of course is awesome because nobody gets left out and everybody wins. And the deeper you go, so to speak, as far as going pro and then getting the pro membership upgrades, your income potential becomes even exponentially greater. And there you have it. That is how the system works, how it builds your list, how it makes you money, and how you get paid, all laid out for you. As I mentioned earlier, there's obviously much, much more here, as you can now, I hope you now realize, than just a website, just a funnel, just a normal typical setup. There's a lot of code running behind the scenes that handles the autopilot email lead forwarding and autopilot commission forwarding that I've explained to you. You never see this with your own eyes, so to appreciate it, you have to use the system to see how it turns your own Siphon referrals into your personal list and commission building team, almost like an affiliate team of your own or a sales force of your own, where you profit from their effort, of other people's effort, on literal autopilot from the moment that you've referred them onward. Your level of success revolves around how many Siphon websites that you give away by sharing your Siphon website link with others. It's basically like passing out free cookies, because who wouldn't want a completely free website and income system that can make them money? So to start sharing your Siphon website, or more specifically your website link, with others online, again, read and follow the 5-minute tutorial. It's 5 minutes, you can handle it, below after you're set up, and take action by doing what it says. I'm not going to shy away from saying that if you want to succeed online, you have the ultimate weapon with which to do so right here in front of you, and no excuses left. I created Siphon Reloaded for you, and I'm passionate about your success. It's already proven. Members have already made countless thousands of dollars with it, and Siphon Reloaded is going to take all of that success to a whole nother level, a whole new level, this time with you on board. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team through the support link below. There are two kinds of people who pursue making money online. I've seen this over and over again throughout all my years online. There are what I guess you'd call the flakes, who just hop from shiny object to shiny object and never get anywhere, even years later. And then there are the real action takers who are intelligent enough to recognize a great income opportunity when they found one, and who therefore stick with it and make the system work for them. Now, if you're the former, I'm afraid you're tying my hands and making it impossible for me or anybody else to help you. But if you're the latter, then you're going to love Siphon Reloaded just as hundreds of others do.